New Zealand came the news late last week that the champion Monkey King has been retired. They're simply not able to get him back to full soundness, and he goes out with a remarkable record, 39 wins from 95 starts, almost $3.5 million, 2 New Zealand Cups, 2 New Zealand free-for-alls, a Miracle Mile and an Auckland Cup, and a cracking second to Blacks a Fake in an Inter-Dominion at Tabcorp Park, Menangle. Like me, I'm sure you will never forget the deeds of a great little horse, Monkey King, and we pay him this tribute as we go to a break on In the Gig.
Smoke it up, trying hard, but Monkey King, the New Zealand Cup winner's done it again.